In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open Microsoft Whiteboard. Microsoft Whiteboard is a fantastic tool for digital collaboration and brainstorming, providing a virtual space where ideas come to life. Let's go through the steps together so you can get started with ease. First things first, you'll want to open your preferred web browser. You can use popular options like Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, or Firefox. Really, any browser you're comfortable with will do the trick. Once your browser is open, head over to the search bar at the top of the page. Here, you'll type in Microsoft Whiteboard and hit Enter. This will bring up a list of results, and you'll be looking for the official Microsoft Whiteboard website. It's usually one of the top links, so it should be easy to find. Once you've located the Microsoft Whiteboard website in your search results, click on it to open the page. Now, you should be on the home page of Microsoft Whiteboard. The next step is to sign in. You'll notice a Sign In button, often located at the upper right-hand corner of the web page. Go ahead and click on that. Now, if you already have an existing Microsoft 365 account, you may be automatically signed in. This often happens if you're already logged into your account elsewhere on the same browser. If that's the case, it makes things very straightforward, and you can jump right into using Whiteboard. If not, don't worry. You'll just need to manually sign in. For those who need to sign in, type in your email address associated with your Microsoft 365 account. This might be your work or personal email, depending on the type of account you've set up. After you've input your email, proceed by entering your password. If there's any additional information required, fill that in as well. It's important to ensure your details are correct to avoid any hiccups during the login process. Once you're logged in, you're all set and ready to go. You're officially on Microsoft Whiteboard and can start exploring its features and functions. Whether you're brainstorming alone or collaborating with a team, you'll find Microsoft Whiteboard to be an intuitive and powerful tool for organizing your ideas visually. That's all it takes to open Microsoft Whiteboard. I hope these steps have been clear and easy to follow. With Microsoft Whiteboard now at your fingertips, you're all equipped to start creating and sharing your amazing ideas. Thanks for joining me today. Happy brainstorming, and I'll see you in the next video.